This is the review for Chapter 10, page 2. Find the area of the trapezoid. All right, so if we take a look, this angle is 45 degrees, and the long leg for the 45 is equal to 13. So if this side is 13, then that means this side over here is 13 because this is x and this is x. So this is 13. From here to here is going to be 11, and then you have 13 here. So altogether, this is going to be 37 altogether. All right, so the formula for a trapezoid is area is equal to 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. So 1/2, and the height is going to be 13. One base is going to be 11, and the other base is going to be 37. Putting that through the calculator, you end up with 312 centimeters squared. Next problem. Another trapezoid, and this is a 30, 60, 90. So in a 30, 60, 90, if the hypotenuse is 8, then that means the short side is going to be 4. Looking at the model, we make a model over here of a 30, 60, 90. This is 2x, this is x, and so this is x times the square root of 3. So then that means this over here is going to be 4 times the square root of 3. So we have enough information now. Area is equal to 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. So 1/2, the height in this problem is going to be 4 square root of 3. One of my bases is going to be 20, and then the other base is going to be 24. It doesn't say how to put your answer. So if I add these two together, I get 44. And half of 4 is 2. 2 times 44 is 88. Square root of 3. Or if you put it in the calculator, it's going to be 152.24. All right, next problem, you have to give the angles. So you're going to take 360, you're going to divide it by the number of sides, which in this case is 6. So that means from vertex to vertex, this angle 1 in this problem, is going to be 60 degrees. So angle 1 equals 60. Then you're going to come and put the apothem in, which means it splits it in half. And if it splits it in half, then angle 2 is equal to 30. And then to find angle 3, which is in the corner here, you're going to take 90, which is here, subtract angle 2. So 90 take away the 30, it's going to leave you with 60. So angle 3 in this problem is 60. All right, down here on this one, this is a radius that's shown. So that means my apothem is going to come down like this. And they show that one side is equal to 10, so half of that then is going to be 5. So I count the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 360 divided by 8 is going to give me 45. And let's come draw the picture here so you can see what's going on. So if this is 45, then half of this is going to be 22.5. And I can't use the Pythagorean theorem on this. I could, but I'm not. I'm going to use, they told me that my radius is 13.07, and I'm looking for this over here, which is my apothem. And I know this down here is 5. So my apothem then is going to be opposite, no, so adjacent over the hypotenuse, so that's going to be the cosine. So I'm going to use the cosine. So the cosine of 22.5 is equal to the adjacent A over the hypotenuse, which is 13.07. So the A is on top, so I got to multiply both sides by 13.07 times the cosine of 22.5 equals A. And get my calculator and doing that, it's going to end up to be 12.1. So 12.1 is equal to A. So coming over, this is 12.1. So area is equal to 1/2 AP. So 1/2, my hypotenuse is 12.1 times the perimeter, which is 10 times the number of sides, which is 8. And multiplying that out, I end up with 484 inches squared.